Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are clearing up a big questions. Can you actually pay monthly on Distrokid in 2025? Let's break it down for you. Now, you might have seen pricing like this. USD 2 a month, USD 3.33 a month, even USD 7.50 a month. Sounds like monthly payments, right? Well, not exactly. These amounts are just estimates of what you would pay per month. But the truth is, Distrokid bills annually. Yup, you'll need to pay the full year upfront. Here's how it works. The musician plan costs USD 22.99 per year. Musician Plus is USD 39.99 per year. And the ultimate plan goes for USD 89.99 per year. So no actually monthly payment options exist. Now let's talk how you can pay. DistroKid accepts Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex Express, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. But here's something important. PayPal is not accepted for paying subscriptions. That said, you can use a prepaid or virtual credit card, which is great for those without a traditional bank card. When it comes to withdrawing your music earnings, you can use PayPal with transfer, e-check, or even paper checks. So to sum it up, DistroKid might advertise monthly prices, but you'll need to pay annual upfront. No true monthly plan for now, just clear annual billing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.